Welcome, today in front of me Honor Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and now if you want to remove some apps from here or just to add some icons or features or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon, and now here in this down section we can just add these 4 icons here. Just hold it. Okay, so we can see them here. That's a lot of these icons. For example, let's use the calculator icon to our notification panel. Just to do it, hold it and drag it here. But as you can see, we can add here only the 20 maximum, the 20 icons. So that's why we should remove some icons from here just by the same way, hold and drag it. And after that we can add here, for example, the calculator or dark mode icon. Just hold and drag it. As you can see, there's no possibility just to add it when we have 20 icons. So if you want to add, for example, also the calculator here, so we should remove one from these available icons. For example, we can just remove this link to Windows icon and add the calculator. If you want to just change the icons positions, just hold and drag it by this way. You can see that's so simple to do. And just to save all the changes, click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.